Are your Armoury Crate GPU mode switching bugs driving you crazy? You're in the right place because we're fixing those frustrating Armoury Crate GPU mode switching bugs right now. First up, Method 1. Update your graphics drivers. Corrupt or outdated drivers are often the silent culprit. Open Device Manager, find your GPU under Display Adapters, right-click and select Update Driver. This refreshes the core communication between your hardware and Armoury Crate. If that doesn't immediately clear the glitch, the issue might be internal to the software itself, which leads us to Method 2. Reset Armoury Crate. Go to Windows Apps, find Armoury Crate, click Advanced Options and hit Reset. This clears any bad configuration files without a full reinstall. Still experiencing issues? Method 3 addresses system-level interference. Disable fast startup. In Control Panel, navigate to Power Options, choose what power buttons do, and uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. This prevents Windows from loading a partial, potentially problematic state. Finally, if all else fails, Method 4 is a clean reinstall of Armoury Crate. Download the official uninstaller, run it reboot, then download and install the latest version. This ensures you have a pristine installation, often resolving deep-seated Armoury Crate GPU mode switching issues for good. Get your system running perfectly again?